Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add PayPal subscription method using Elementor Pro in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add recurring payment method using PayPal widget in Elementor Pro. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see search widget. So right here PayPal, and then you see PayPal button, so you can drag and drop like this. Now PayPal widget edit. On left side you see content, style, advanced, and then you see pricing and payments, so you can add PayPal account, and then you see transaction type, drop down. Now select subscription, and then you see item name, so we added item name membership, and we added PayPal account, so you can add your PayPal email. And then you see price, so you can add price according to your requirement like 20, and then you see currency USD, drop down, so you can select according to your requirement. And then you see billing cycle, drop down, daily, weekly, monthly. Now select monthly, and then you see auto renewal, so you can enable or disable. And then you see button, so click on it. Now you see text, buy now, so you can add text. So we added text, subscribe, membership, and then you see alignment. If you want, you can add icon from icon library, and then you see icon position, and then you see additional option, so you can add page link after successful payment. Now you see redirect after success, sandbox, so this is for developer mode. Open PayPal in new tab, enable. If you want, you can add custom message. Now you see, and then you see style, so click on it, and then you see typography, so you can see family, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, font size, and then you see text shadow, text color, background type for normal. Also you see hour effect, and then you see advanced, so you can add margin padding according to your requirement. Now click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see subscribe membership button, so click on it, open a new tab. Now you see PayPal checkout, and then you see pay with PayPal, so you can log in. So in this way you can add subscription model using PayPal widget in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.